Okay, that was an interesting talk
Yes, it
about
was.
test containers. That's
Yeah.
pretty cool technology. So I'd really want to try that out sometime.
And I also like diversity that we have in our talks. Like we're covering all sorts of angles within Java development, enterprise Java
Yeah, we
development.
talked about building them. We talked about all the different technologies from E10 and forward, and even microprofile and
Testing.
test containers. So yeah, it's a
Yeah.
lot of stuff.
Yeah, a lot of stuff to learn on.
Yeah, and Java SE.
Yeah, fantastic. Adoptive,
Yeah,
all sorts of stuff.
yeah. I wish we had just about that much snack to talk about in this session. And I think this is where we have to admit that we probably were aiming for the wrong thing, or at least failing a little bit here, because we've been so successful with the pizzas and the cupcakes and the cakes,
And cakes.
but I don't think the snack part really hits.
It seems it's only me who is snacking here.
Yeah,
That is, well, I like my cappuccinos, I like my peppers with my hummus. I like even the burek little thingy.
I stole that from you and tweeted it as it was mine.
Yes, it was yours.
And I even misspelled it.
And you even misspelled it. But anyways, it turns out to be a disaster. Or actually, I can turn it the other way around. So I will get all the awards.
Yeah, you will win the prizes.
I will be all the prizes. So that actually, it's not that bad.
Yeah.
When I think about it. But we cannot show you much. Like everything you've seen on Twitter, that's it. Those 3 little pictures, that's what we have.
Yeah.
So
And this is, we're getting towards the end. There are 2 more talks coming.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
We've 2 more studio sessions. Or actually, after this one, there's 1 more studio, and then we're doing the closing at the end, and then then we're done for this year. So, but we like these food kind of competitions anyway. So we want to start a competition today, and that is the first part of that competition should be. We want to have suggestions for what the competition should be.
Oh yeah, that's a
And
good idea.
the criteria could be, it has to be something Jakarta EE related or possible to create with the Jakarta EE sailing ship.
Yeah.
That could be one criteria. And next year is the 5 years anniversary, so maybe there should be something with the number 5 in some way.
Yeah. So give us suggestions.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it has to be like don't make it too complicated.
No.
It has to be some regular ingredients that you would normally have in your household.
Yeah.
And everyone needs to do some work.
Yeah.
Like we all have to eat.
We do. Yeah.
We do. So therefore, eating something in the shape or related to Jakarta EE sailboat,
Yeah.
what else could you want?
Yeah, and with so many fish-related products in the Jakarta EE community, we could even be something based on fish.
It could be based something. We can base it on fish.
Fish and boats.
Yeah. That's the twist on your sushi team.
That could be a sushi. Yeah. We probably shouldn't mention stroopwafels there, but that's kind of been a theme this autumn as well, because there have been a lot of Dutch people involved.
Yes.
And when I did a talk in Netherlands, I did this sushi joke, but they didn't get it, and I said it should be stroopwafels, and I said, but stroopwafel, sushi on stroopwafels, and but maybe that's the thing.
Well, if community comes up with something, we'll go with it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
We'll
that's a good
definitely do
idea.
that.
So do let us know. Do buy into this idea.
Yeah, and as you probably have figured out by now, we don't have very much to talk about in this studio here. But what we can do is to run a short video.
Yeah.
And I'm not sure if you've run this video before or not. I don't think so. So it's a brand new video.
And
So-
it's premiere.
Yes.
Worldwide premiere.
Worldwide premiere. So let's just run the video, and we'll be back here after the video to introduce the next speaker.
Sounds good.
You may ask, why choose Jakarta EE? Well, there's a good chance you already have. Java is one of the prevalent programming languages in the industry. With the rise of Java, Java EE was established as a set of specifications for enterprise Java application development. A vast majority of Fortune 500 companies are running their mission-critical applications on Java EE, and now Jakarta EE. They are choosing an open, vendor-neutral, and community-driven approach to application development technologies. Most developers already know that Jakarta EE is the continuation of Java EE, focusing on modernizing its foundation for today's needs of cloud architectures. But what you may not know is how deeply ingrained this technology is and will continue to be. Jakarta EE is ubiquitous. The Jakarta EE vendor-neutral community is currently at work to keep the back end of enterprise Java applications running in various industries. Products you may know, such as Jetty, Tomcat, Jersey, and Spring, all rely on Jakarta EE technologies. Jakarta EE is the standard, a set of specifications for enterprise Java application development. It is well understood and widely accepted because of its stability, portability, and backwards compatibility. Vendors rely on standardized Jakarta EE specifications to build their Jakarta EE compatible products. This provides enterprise Java developers with flexibility in selecting their preferred runtimes to build and run enterprise Java applications. But being the standard does not mean being rigid. Jakarta EE is modular, capable of being adapted to fit different platforms and profiles for different organizations all over the world. Jakarta EE enables you to use the individual specifications independently or together. Depending on your application type and needs, you may choose to utilize the Jakarta EE platform, Jakarta EE web profile, or Jakarta EE core profile. In fact, that's exactly why Jakarta EE is so innovative. The Jakarta EE Working Group opens the door to cloud-native Java innovation and allows a global community of contributors to continuously build and shape the open-source future of Jakarta EE as a vendor-neutral technology. Whatever new challenges you and your organization face, Jakarta EE will grow to meet them, and you will be part of it. Jakarta EE chooses you at every step, and that is why you should choose Jakarta EE.
Wasn't that video great?
It was.
Yeah, so this is another one of the amazing productions from Ian, who's been producing this event and doing a lot of stuff. All the videos are created by
and all the graphics.
All the graphics.
So it's we're super happy to have him here on board. And yeah, if you like that video, you know, like it, tweet it. We're pretty happy, and we want to make sure that it reaches a lot of Java developers out there.
Yeah, and there are more people that has done a tremendous job in securing the content of this conference.
Yes, and this year.
Yeah, and we're of course talking about the program committee.
Yes, this year we're super happy again to have 5 individuals from our community who helped us with selecting the talks, and I want to give them a special thank you. It is Ottavio, Mala, Edwin, Mary, and Josh, and we can not thank them enough for being patient with us. Giving their time. They're all volunteers. They're independent of the Jakarta EE Working Group, and they have volunteered their time, worked out what would be a good and diverse selection of talks, and worked to have all the speakers lined up for you. So. Thank you very, very much. Your work is greatly appreciated from our end, but I'm sure from a wider community as well.
Yeah, it sure made our job very easy.
Oh yeah.
We just show up here.
We just show up here, and you know they did most of the work.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah. So
yeah, and the other part of people that are doing most of the work is the speakers, and we have a couple of speakers left, and the next is probably well known to most of you. It is Reza from Microsoft, and he's going to talk about Jakarta NoSQL, powered by Cosmos DB on the cloud. And I think he will be on in like a couple of minutes or so, on the top of the hour. So, but until then,
we can have a short break, and,
Yeah.
and everyone can relax a little bit, and then welcome Reza into his session.